InVideo.io is one of the best prompts to video generator right here. You can easily create videos with text prompts, enter any topic, and this InVideo AI gets to work. It generates a script, creates scenes, adds voiceovers, tweaks the video at your command, and with InVideo as your co-pilot, you can engage your audience very easily right there. So guys, you want to simply just try InVideo. So guys, you want to simply try out the InVideo AI for free, and there is no credit card required right there. So guys, I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in right into my account right here. So once you're right here, you go on to select workflow, and you want to simply select your workflow right here. So guys, you want to simply make use of, as you can see, YouTube Shorts, YouTube Explainer, recent event video, script to video. You want to simply just choose any of this right here. So guys, you want to simply give this a topic. I'm going to make use of this topic right here. I'm going to generate a video. So it is creating your section right here for you. It is analyzing your video right here. So guys, you want to simply wait and see what is out for you. So just give this a prompt, give this a text, and it's going to generate an awesome videos right here for you. Now guys, this might just take some few seconds right here, but you are able to generate videos right here. So guys, the next thing right here is to simply select your audience. As you can see, we have the nature enthusiasts, adventure seekers, and travel lovers. I'm just going to make this to be as nature enthusiasts. Then you go into the look and feel. You can make use of inspiring, clean, or crisp. Now your platform right here, you want to simply just select the platform. We're going to make use of YouTube right here and tap onto continue right here. So guys, this might take a few minutes. This might take a few minutes for the InVideo AI to be able to generate our videos right here. As you can see, 5% of our videos is ready. It is planning the scripts right here. So simply wait for some minutes and see how our video actually looks like. So right here guys, as you can see, our video is done right now. So I'm just going to play this. Let's see how this video actually looks like. So that is the video right here. So guys, all you want to do, you can go onto the edit button right here and edit this video right now. And you can also make use of the prompts right here. As you can see, delete the second since it's not really relevant. Make the scene half as long. So you can easily just put in what you want to simply just edit right here and you go on to generate. You can easily change your voiceover right here to a male voice by simply just giving this a prompt. And you can regenerate the video if you are not satisfied with this particular video right here. So guys, once this is done, go on to the export button and go on to export video. So right here guys, in order for you to be able to export this video, you want to simply upgrade it right here to the InVideo AI tool. So you want to simply just upgrade the InVideo right there to a paid plan, and once you're done with that, you're able to export your video. So this is how you're able to generate a text prompt to video right here. So simply give this a prompt, and with InVideo.ai you are able to generate your video right here.